NuroClean Spray is sold as an eco-friendly, tablet-based cleaner touting powerful stain removal, multi-surface versatility, and savings from reducing plastic waste. But several red flags raise concerns about its legitimacy. Launched in late 2024 with a brand new domain, NuroClean.com offers hefty discounts, up to 65% off, countdown timers, and low stock alerts. Classic pressure tactics used by questionable dropship stores. Scam Advisor and Griddensoft label the site suspicious due to hidden ownership details, low traffic, and lack of third-party reviews. The Amazon version earns only 2.25 stars from users reporting it ate the coating on cookware or cleaned virtually nothing. While the formula, made from concentrated effervescent tablets, sounds eco-conscious and convenient, real-world results vary widely. Some buyers got fresh scents and mild cleaning power, while others found it ineffective or even damaging. Retailers include vague claims about plant-based, non-toxic ingredients, but offer no independent lab tests. Though not an outright scam, it does ship a legitimate cleaning product. The aggressive marketing, lack of transparent manufacturing and product safety info, poor user feedback, and questionable website integrity make NuroClean a risky purchase. If you're considering it, use secure payment methods, test on an inconspicuous area, and don't rely on it for tough cleaning jobs. Established eco-cleaners with verified safety data and reliable reviews remain smarter choices.